Have you ever watched a thrilling basketball game, witnessed a fantastic shot, and then found yourself wondering exactly how that moment contributes to the overall score? Every single point on the scoreboard tells a story, a crucial piece of the puzzle that determines who wins and loses. Understanding the basics of how points are tallied can truly deepen your appreciation for the game. Absolutely, two-point field goals are indeed a fundamental and integrated part of a team's total points in basketball. They are one of the three primary ways points are scored, contributing significantly to the final tally. In basketball, the scoring system is quite straightforward, built upon three distinct types of successful attempts. First, we have the free throw, which is a single shot awarded from the free throw line, typically after certain fouls, and it's worth 1 point. Then there are two-point field goals. These are any shots successfully made from within the large arc painted on the court, known as the three-point line. When a player sinks a shot from this area, it instantly adds 2 points to their team's score. Finally, we have the electrifying three-point field goal, which is a shot made from beyond that very same arc, earning 3 points. The total points for any team in a game are simply the sum of all their accumulated 1-point free throws, two-point field goals, and three-point field goals. So, each successful shot from inside the three-point arc directly adds 2 points to the team's overall score, making them an undeniably crucial component of the final score. Grasping this basic mathematical foundation allows you to quickly understand how teams build their lead, close deficits, or maintain an advantage during an intense matchup. To easily see this information in action, you can refer to almost any basketball box score, whether it is online or in a game program. You will typically find columns specifically dedicated to field goals made, often abbreviated as FG, and another 4 three-point field goals made, which might be shown as 3PT or 3PM. If you want to isolate the two-point field goals, you can perform a simple calculation. Subtract the number of three-point field goals made from the total field goals made. The remaining number represents the successful two-point attempts. Each of those, as we discussed, then contributes exactly 2 points to the team's scoreboard total. Here is a little insider tip that helps deepen your understanding of player performance. When you hear commentators or read statistics talking about a player's general field goal percentage, they are typically referring to the combined success rate of all their shot attempts from the field, including both their two-point and three-point efforts. However, for a more granular and insightful analysis, separate statistics are meticulously kept for two-point shooting percentage and three-point shooting percentage. This crucial distinction allows you to truly understand a player's efficiency and strengths from different areas of the court. For instance, a player might have a lower overall field goal percentage due to many missed three-pointers, but an excellent two-point percentage, indicating their effectiveness closer to the basket. This level of detail offers a much deeper insight into their specific scoring prowess and offensive role. Knowing that two-point field goals are not just included, but are a foundational part of the total score, fundamentally empowers you to better follow the strategic ebb and flow of a basketball game. It helps you logically dissect individual player performance, understand team offensive strategies, and appreciate how every single successful shot, especially those vital two-pointers, builds towards the team's ultimate success on the scoreboard. This understanding brings a much richer and more informed perspective to every single possession, allowing you to truly become a more engaged fan.